How to make sure that you're not getting cheated. Are you getting the device that you're signing up for? Is it new or refurbished? What term are you financing it over? Would you like it in the current term? Are there any annual increases or interest fees? The reason that businesses should know about all of these is so that they can plan, manage, and prepare their business operations correctly. It will impact your service and how you service your customers. But most importantly, it's so that you know what to expect and so that you're not left in the dark. As a customer, here are some of the things that you should look for. Instead of just looking at cost, make sure that you look at value for money to ensure that you're getting your money's worth out of the solution that you choose. Instead of solely focusing on the cost, make sure that you look at the whole value that this solution is going to add to your business. Ensure that you are dealing with trusted and established service providers so that you know that they're transparent about their terms, payments, and technology. If you need more information about this, please give us a call and we'll be happy to give you all the information you need to run a successful and smooth business.